Hi, I'm Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2021 320 Sundancer. New design on this boat. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the triple Mercuries, the 250s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Gets right up on plane. Good top end as well. You've got the L-shaped seating in the back. You've got the sure shade that actually comes all the way back and covers this seat completely, which is fantastic for the shade. And then you've got a little galley area set up here. You've got the Kenyan electric stove, which can cook anything on it, cooks fillets wonderfully. And then you also have a refrigerator with a little freezer in here. Keep about a 5-pound bag of ice in there. So a nice little galley set up here, opposing seating. And as I move to the helm, very clean helm. You get the dual sim rads, all recessed in there, very, very clean dashboard. You also have the auto trim system here. You get the digital throttle and shift, and then you get the joystick. Joystick does everything. You can make the boat go sideways just by pushing it sideways, get you into any slip, anytime, any condition. Also, you've got the skyhook on it, so it's good for you waiting for a slip assignment. You can put all your fenders and lines, get it all set, take it off, and then get right into the slip. And then you can also point the bow at the sunset. You'll have a glass of wine sitting up there, keeps you locked right in. Perfectly positioned the whole time. Nice feature. Love that. Then you've got the cabin. So it's actually a very good sized cabin for 32 feet. You can either set it up for a bed or you can set it up for dining. So it does both there. You've got a stand-up head, which is nice for privacy, and then you've got the mid cabin, which is very large. So you can put 4 adults very, very comfortably down in the cabin. As we move to the bow, this is where they really changed it big time on this boat. It used to be just a flat bow out here with maybe a sun pad on it. Now you get real comfortable lounges up here. You can put 3 to 4 adults very, very comfortably. Remote control for the stereo, drink holder speakers. You get the teak flooring down, the real teak flooring down there. It's just an all-around fantastic boat. So if you have any questions, please give me a call at 603-213-1194.